Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another vlog, and this time I am in my beautiful country, Dominica. For those of you who do not know, and for those of you who are new to my channel, I am from the Caribbean, a small island called Dominica. And as you guys know, I'm a nursing intern, so I got some vacation, so I decided, why not go to my country? And the last time I've been to my country was 2018, and I just feel like, it's been a long time, and I miss my family, I miss my food, I miss everyone. So I decided, to come visit my friends and family. So I'm here, and today is Sunday. So today is a beautiful day here. And I decided, why not start my vlog? Because to be honest, I wasn't going to vlog. I was just deciding to stay home for the 2 weeks that I have and just free up and just stay away from the camera. But I thought to myself, and I just checked, and it's not fair for those of you who do not know where I'm from, so I decided to just show you guys today, typical Sunday, what we're going to do. So today, what plans we have for today, mommy?
Women's Day.
Oh, today is Women's Day.
We are going to the river. We are going to the river. I have a river bath and have lunch by the river.
English. Yeah, so today's Sunday, and one of the things that I want to do, because where I live in Mexico, we are 6 hours away from the beach, and who knows how many hours away from the river? No, from the river? No, in Puebla, where I live. So my country is like a little island, so all around the island is sea, water, beach, just name it. So today by the way, just a tip, we have 365 rivers, one for every year. So if you guys are interested in coming on to the nature, I'll come along, yes. And this is not sponsored, no advertisement or anything. But yeah, so one of the things, when it's family Sunday, we always prepare our meal, like a cook out. Either we cook by the river or we bring our own food to snack or to eat or something. So right now my mom is in the kitchen. My sister-in-law just went up to to finish do some of the cooking at home, and I'm just going to show you guys what we're preparing today. The Chef Boyardee. Okay, so mommy, what you have for us?
We have potato salad. We have jerk chicken.
We have jerk pork, not jerk chicken.
Jerk pork.
Oh gosh.
We have jerk pork.
What again?
We have barbecue chicken.
We have barbecue chicken. Oh, my sister-in-law is going to make barbecue chicken. And we have baked macaroni and cheese. And what we're going to make right now?
That's the same vegetable.
And that's the sauce we're going to put for
our
our baked
salad.
pork.
The salad prepared in another house.
Ah, okay. But yes, guys, as you can see, the kitchen is very busy, and I just walking around with my camera, and to cool off it's so hot. The temperature here is completely different, So to refresh myself, I'm drinking my favorite beer, which is the beer of the country, Kubuli. So what time are we going to the beach? In the river?
What one?
What time now? Wait, early now. Yeah, so around 1 o'clock we're going to make our way. I think we're going to walk, or we're walking. We walking, or Marcia coming for us? What's she coming for? So in a while, a friend of us is going to come for us, and then we're going to head to the river. So when I reach over there, I'll get back with you guys. So stay tuned. Okay, guys, just before we head, I also. Just before we head to the river, let me show you guys the end product of the baked pork. Watch that. Cheese and bread. My friend almost asked me, what is that? Tell me that not looking good. Which is for which? Which one is for who?
Anyone.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. We have 3. 2, 4, 6.
Extra piece.
Well, no, I forget enough. What's making chicken? Like they would say it here in my country, we're looking for a bassin. It's like a small pool where we can sit down and that's not too deep because we have some company with us. Where, mommy? Well, we're going high up and if we don't get nothing, then we just return them. Man. Oh, but nice to put you.
Is it nice? Too little. It's little. You can go down there. No. Let's go and see.
Let's just go and see, mommy. If it's plenty people might have because I don't have any fans. Let me just show you guys our view right now. Yeah, so we're walking and trying to see where we get that spot like I have mentioned, and oh, look at that. What a moon. Okay. Hey guys, so we have made it. We found a spot where that's not too deep and not too shallow for the kids and my mom and my daughter in brackets. So yeah, we found the spot and we're about to dive in, and oh gosh, it's so hot, but I'm so excited, you know, because I can't remember when was the last time I actually took a good river bath.
Come on, leave her there. Leave her there, don't bring her in the
But yes guys, I'm about to remove my clothes and I'm about to dive in. I need it. I'll see you guys soon. I'm having such a good time. I'm sorry if you find my eyes a little bit teary, but we just had a little incident, just a little incident, but nothing too serious. So yes, I think we're done now. I didn't really record as I should because you know I need water and everybody wants to enjoy this one. Mommy, how you enjoy your river bath?
Good, but I fall.
Yeah, she took a fall. She actually fell. We were taking her some pictures and then we asked her to go to a certain spot.
And I fall. I just fall. And it hurts.
So she fell really hard. I don't want to laugh, but I think she okay and she laughing, so all your laughter had built up inside. So yeah guys, I'll see you once I reach home. Bye. Mommy, you okay? Be careful, you know. Guys, we my mother is trying to hike up that little track. Oh gosh. We should have helped mommy.
I said no, never. I cannot help you.
Mommy, be careful before you just have to just go back. All we need was a good road. And apart from that, we're good to go. Oh my gosh, her bathtub is well dirty.
Not a problem if you wash.
Guys, we have made it to the top and we're actually walking back to get to not our
destination.
Our destination, according to my mother. The track, the river bath was great, you know, but the only thing is the track. Getting to go to that place is a headache. Look at his face. That is the only thing. But we made it. It was a nice little adventure. I don't know.
Up there by them.
Yeah, it was a nice little adventure. We enjoyed ourselves. Everybody enjoyed themselves. So right now, my mother took a blessing, which is a fall. And yeah, so right now we just, like my mother said, we're heading to my friend's house. And oh yeah, we're heading to my friend's house and we're going to see what we get to eat. We ate before we left, but we're just going and see what else we have to eat. Guava picking time. See your bottom. It's wet. It's wet. Yeah. Okay, go. We're gonna pick some guava, guys. You see, that is the good time you just get in your country, you know. When you say you're living abroad for some time and then you come home, it's like, I don't know. I mean, my country is just a sweet place. To be honest, my country is just a sweet place. So every time I come back, I just always feel happy and I just want to go. And this week is my last week and I just sad, you know. But that's how it is when you're studying abroad and you live in abroad. That's how it is.
I swear, I just see a whole set.
Where?
Oh, look at them.
That is a,
What you had back there?
I see that. Oh no, most of them bird eat them. Wait, who that? Mind you guys, I come in. Hot. It's so freaking hot. Hey guys. My mother said that I got bigger. So today is a new day. Today is what day, mommy? Today is Wednesday and we are about to head to the beach. And I'm so happy because it's been so long since I asked him for my mother to take me, and my aunt is the one who is going to bring us to the beach. So right now we just walk into a house, and once we get there I will get back with you guys. to. Oh no, I realize castaways won't change. Guys, so we are officially on the beach, and as you can see, I'm all wet and everything already because as I reached, I decided to just head in and enjoy the water. But I don't know if you guys can see, it is really rough. And the beach that we on it's called Mirror Beach, and it's not the first time I've been on that beach. Back when I used to live here in Dominica, I used to go on, and that's the always. You see always rough. You see always rough. So what is that? No. What is that? Look at it. Look at that. Let's see how long I lied. Maybe I might go back, maybe I might not go back because this is really rough. So yes guys, we're officially here, like I mentioned, Mirror Beach, and we're having a ball of a time. We had a little accident where my mother and my auntie, like such a big wave came and just pushed them on shore, and my mother wasn't waiting for that. It was hilarious at the moment because you know how it happened, but then afterwards my auntie decided, no, do not venture beyond this point. Why? Like where? Oh, where? Exactly, but we don't know where the man going. I have police there now. That's a. Which one? But look at how it's so rough. Let's take a walk. I don't think nothing will happen. What's that there? Maybe there. Anyways, let's go. I prayed. Should we? Anyways, guys, let me show you something. We saw this sign, right? And now we are in two minds if we should continue, but I just feel maybe they're talking about this area, which is like a river. That's a river right there. So I'm not sure if they're talking about that because I want to continue walking. Like, look at this. Hey guys, so we are officially done taking our sea bath, and right now we're looking for some spot to drink something, like have a little drink to freshen up and everything. And the sea is so salty, so right now everybody is so thirsty. So I think we're going to go to the nearby village that's called St. Joseph. We're going to go there to some spot that my family knows. Yeah, so like I was saying, I think I got a call. We had such a fun time. You had a good time? What part you like the most? My favorite part is when my mother and my aunt took a head dive. Took a head dive in the sea because of a particular wave. Mommy, talk to me. How was your experience?
The wave, I had a hard wave and I somersault. Water, sun go all in my ears, my eyes.
She has sun places you would not even imagine. So yes. So that was my favorite part. I really had a ball of it. I think that was like the highlight. I think that was the highlight. No, auntie. Yeah. I think that was the highlight for me. So yes guys, I'm about to go ahead and get back with you. So we're going to go ahead and head over there, and I'll see you guys soon.